Hello everyone, welcome to JL's Chemistry. Today we are discussing about the important topics for GATE 2023 in physical chemistry. Yesterday we are discussing about the organic chemistry, and also before yesterday we are discussing about the inorganic chemistry. In the same way today we are discussing physical chemistry. So some people they are treating like physical chemistry is a very difficult subject. No, so it is very easy. So little units you have to study, you will definitely got 6 to 8 marks. So 6 to 8 marks is also very important in GATE exam. That is very important for rank. They are deciding the rank. So let us start today's section, physical chemistry. So first unit I am to mention here, solid state. In solid state you have to study crystal systems and their characteristics, voids and defects, number of voids in different systems, spinels and inverse spinels, crystal structures and their properties like Urgite, numericals in density formula and Braggs equation. This part is very important. So direct questions is coming in NAT numerical answer type. That area they will definitely ask in the question from density and Braggs equation. And then contribution of crystal lattice, plotting of lattice points and Miller indices. So this is the main important part in the solid state. So solid state they are asking minimum to maximum 3 marks. So one question is definitely coming from density formula and Braggs equation. So you see these areas total. So you will definitely getting the score. Okay. Now let's start surface chemistry. In surface chemistry, physis option and chemis options. Differences, Langmuir and Freundlich bed theory, graphical problems and numericals. Then surface catalysis, Langmuir Hinshelwood mechanism, surface tension, physical chemistry of colloids, micelles, macromolecules. So among these Langmuir and Freundlich bed theory is the very important. Last time they are asking question from Freundlich. So this I think in this year they will definitely asking Langmuir. So you just see about all the problems PYQ questions so which are asking in the previous year. So then you have to understand the problems in the Langmuir section. So this is the very important part in surface chemistry. Now let's start third one. So that is phase rule and electrochemistry. So in this area, so ionic mobility and conductivity, phase diagram of one component systems like CO2, H2O, sulfur, two component systems, liquid vapor, liquid, solid liquid systems. You just see the graphs which are in your notes. Next, Clausius-Capron equation, osmotic pressure, depressing in freezing points, and then Debye-Hückel-Ansager equation, Debye-Hückel limiting law. It is very important. Standard electrode potentials and electrochemical cells, Nernst equation and applications. It is also very important. Dependence of equilibrium constant on temperature and pressure. So these areas very important. So you just see the total topics whatever I mentioned here, you just revise the topics. And then group theory. So group theory is the very smallest unit and also very important unit in the GATE chemistry. So in group theory, symmetry elements, point groups, Mulliken symbol, missing character tables in characters. That means they are giving one character table, some of the elements they are missing. So we just find it the elements which are asking in the examinations. Then IR and Raman activities in the group tables. So this is the important area. Then see physical spectroscopy. Spectroscopy also very smallest unit, but weightage is very high. Because they are asking 3 to 4 marks, so high weightage compared with group theory. Surface chemistry, spectroscopy is the little high score is getting from the physical spectroscopy. In the physical spectroscopy, so they are containing rotational and vibrational, Raman and NMR spectroscopy. Rotational spectroscopy, they are asking criteria for a molecule to be active, rotors and numericals. Last time question is coming from this area like matching, I think, rotor, symmetrical rotor, spherical rotor. So that area question they are asking in the rotational spectroscopy. Then vibrational spectroscopy, criteria of a molecule, active and numericals. Raman spectroscopy, selection rules, Raman active modes and numericals. NMR spectroscopy, nuclear G factor and oscillating shift. Beer-Lambert's law, theory and numericals. Beer-Lambert's law also little important topic. Next, kinetics. In chemical kinetics, so important areas is here: transition state theory, Rayleigh equation, units of rate constant and graphical methods, elementary parallel, opposing, consecutive reactions, steady state approximation and reactions, unimolecular reactions, enzyme catalysis, radioactivity decay process, half-life of radioactive elements, fission and fusion process, kinetics of photochemical and photophysical process, kinetics of polymerizations. So this is the area very important, so which I mentioned here. So you just recall the topics before the examinations. Now I start thermodynamics. In thermodynamics, you see Gibbs-Helmholtz equation and Maxwell relations. Maxwell relations is very important. Direct questions is coming from Maxwell relations in sometimes. Okay. Then Carnot cycle and the basics of thermodynamics, like adiabatic process, isochoric process, isobaric process, like that. Criteria of spontaneity and equilibrium, Le Chatelier's principle, and also heat capacity, partial molar quantities, thermodynamic of mixing, especially numericals, microcanonical ensembles, Boltzmann distribution, partition functions. So these are the very important concepts in thermodynamics. Then quantum mechanics. In quantum mechanics, properties of quantum mechanical operators like linear, commutator, and eigenfunctions and eigenvalues, well-behaved wave functions, average value of operators, Hermitian operators, particle in one-dimensional box, three-dimensional box, and degeneracy and the probability of finding the particles, hydrogen atom, wave functions, radial and angular nodes. This area very important. Last time question is coming from radial and angular nodes, I think. So you see this topic once again, and also overlap integral, Huckel questions, VBT, LCAO, linear combination of atomic orbitals, MOT to H2 plus H2 and other diatomic molecules like HF, HO, CO, NO, delocalized by electronic systems. And last, perturbation and variation theorems. So this is also very important topics. So overall 8 units. So who are the thinking physical is very difficult, so they will select at least 2 to 3 units. Just recall the concepts. You will definitely got 6 to 8 marks in the physical chemistry. Who are choosing the physical chemistry as a main subject, so definitely whatever syllabus they are mentioned in the GATE syllabus, so you just read all the topics and doing questions in PYQs, total PYQs you will solve the once again. So then definitely you will getting physical chemistry in a good score. So please subscribe my channel. If you like it this video, please like and share. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.